someone you love passes away unexpectedly, the first 2 days can feel like a blur. Time slows down, but everything still needs your attention. It's confusing, painful, and overwhelming, and that's okay. In this video, we'll walk through what to focus on in the first 48 hours after a sudden loss, step by step, so you can take things one moment at a time. Before anything else, breathe, then reach out for help. Call a close friend or family member and let them know what's happened. You shouldn't face these first steps alone. If you're at home and the death has just occurred, contact emergency services or your local authorities right away. If it happened in a hospital or care facility, the staff will help you with the next steps. You don't have to handle everything, just make sure someone is with you and the necessary calls are made. This decision may come sooner than you expect. Ask for recommendations from friends, your place of worship, or even online reviews. Most funeral homes can take care of transportation, paperwork, and arrangements right away. Don't feel pressured to decide on every detail yet. Just focus on choosing a trusted service provider to take your loved one into their care. Once immediate needs are handled, start letting family and close friends know. It's okay to delegate this. Ask 1 or 2 trusted people to help you make those calls. Keep the message simple. I have some sad news. Name passed away. We don't have all the details yet, but I'll share more soon. You don't owe anyone explanations right now. You're simply sharing what's necessary. In the next day or so, gather essentials like identification, keys, financial documents, and insurance information. Keep everything in a safe place, maybe a folder or box, so it's easy to find when paperwork begins. This small step can reduce stress later. Grief can numb your body as much as your heart. Eat something small, drink water, try to rest, even if it's just for an hour. You may feel like you're standing still while the world keeps moving, but these small acts of care help your body and mind face what comes next. There's no perfect way to handle these first 48 hours, only the next right step. Take your time, ask for help, and remember, you're not alone in this. If you'd like more guidance, we've created a free guide to walk you through the first 48 hours after a sudden loss. You can download it at goto.lifeafteraloss.com/guide. Take things one day at a time and be gentle with yourself.